Hi, I'm Michael Mondragon, graphic designer for nerdyconnections.com, and today we're going to have our MacBook Pro take a picture every time it's opened. So now we're going to take a picture using Automator on the Mac. So I'm going to look up Automator in my Finder, going to launch it, and I'm going to choose and put snapshot. So take video snapshot. So I'm going to drag that over, and I have some settings here. I'm going to take the picture automatically. I'm going to load it to my pictures, and now I'm going to run the script. And that's how easy it is to take a snapshot. I'm Michael Mondragon, graphic designer for nerdyconnections.com, and that's the way you make a MacBook Pro take a picture every time it's opened.